We can add a value to a date with the DATEADD function in the T-SQL programming language. 3 parameters are sent to the DATEADD function. The first parameter is the type of value to be added. It could be year, month, week. The second parameter is the value to be added. It can be negative or positive value. The third parameter represents the date to be added. Let's better understand how it works by making an example in SQL Server. 3 parameters are sent to the DATEADD function. The getDate function is one of the functions where we can get the current date. In the first example, we added 10 years to the current date. We can use a negative value to go back 8 months from the specified date. We use the week parameter to add 6 weeks. We can add or subtract using parameters such as day, hour. We can use a function within a function. In this example, 2 hours will be added before the specified date. Then 4 days will be added. Now let's make an example using a table. I will create a table with the employee's date of birth information. I am adding 10 records to the table. I can see the data with the select command. Let's add 10 years to the birth date column. Now let's try adding 5 hours. Error. Because in order to add 5 hours, the column must be of date time type. Since the time part is not in the date data type, we cannot add it. Let's add 13 weeks. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.